Hi, this is Michelle. Today we're going to draw a cute jumping donut. Let's get started. First, we choose black color and 6B pencil and a sketching to draw a quick draft. Let's draw a big oval first. Then add a small one in the middle of it. Next, draw the baseline of the frosting. Then draw a cool cap on top of his head. Now let's draw his eyes and his arms and legs. Then draw wavy lines as his frosting. Now we finished our draft drawing. Let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 50%. Then change the brush to Studio Pen and inking to draw the outlines based on the draft in the new layer. To draw a perfect oval shape, you can hold your pencil after drawing like this. If you are new here and want to watch more Procreate tutorials, tips, and cute drawing ideas like this, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button below. Now we use light pink color to draw his cheeks. Once we finish the outline drawing, we can hide the draft layer and start to add some colors in the new layers. We can change the outline layer to reference. In this way, we can color our drawing easily on a separate layer based on the reference layer. We can just drag and fill with different colors in the coloring layer below. Now let's give the background a light orange color. Then start to paint the cap with the white color. Now let's draw the sprinkles in a new layer. Before that, don't forget to change our outline layer from reference back to normal. Then let's add some shadows. Duplicate this layer below and use Move tool to move it a little bit to the bottom right. Now let's select this layer and change the color to the dark pink. Then tap the color fill function to fill these areas. Then the shadows come out. Next, create a new layer on top of the coloring layer and change it to clipping mask. Then we can draw other shadows in this layer. In this way, the new drawings will only appear based on the parent layer. Now let's draw some highlights using white color. Then change the opacity to around 35%. Finally, let's stroke the outside edges. Now we're done for the cute donut drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time!